Hi, my name is Meredith Reiser, and I'm a young adult, and these are my healthy coping mechanisms. The specific stressors that have caused me the most amount of stress during my college experience are midterms and final exams, lack of sleep, and peer pressure. To reduce my stress surrounding midterms and final exams, I like to create a study schedule. This allows me to organize my time and make sure that I am able to fit in all the subjects that I need to be studying. Secondly, I make sure that I study regularly throughout the semester. Otherwise, if I don't, I find that my final exam and midterms are much harder and I have to take more time to study. Lastly, I like to schedule one activity besides studying per day that helps me reduce my anxiety around the exams and gives me time to clear my mind. To ensure that I do not experience a lack of sleep, I like to take 30-minute naps every so often, and I usually write them down in my planner so that I actually take them. Another thing that helps me make sure that I get enough sleep at night is having a regular bedtime. This prevents me from watching TV too late at night or spending too long in the library. And lastly, I like to fit in a 30-minute workout into my schedule at least 4 times a week. This ensures that my energy levels stay high, and it also allows me to clear my mind and enhance my concentration on my studies. To avoid peer pressure, I have taught myself how to say no. Sometimes that is all you need to do when it comes to peer pressure. It's just to say, no, I don't want to do that. Another thing that I've learned to do is to care less about what others think of me. And lastly, I have found alternative solutions to situations so that I can still have fun and enjoy my time during college and not feel like I am missing out on what everyone else is doing. Ultimately, these 3 activities help build my self-confidence and lower my social anxiety. These 3 videos have helped me throughout my time in college. The first is a yoga video, which allows me to feel my best self, and it's very quick and it allows me to take in not only an exercise during the day, but also it allows me to clear my mind and practice some meditation. The next video is a quick presentation that runs through the process of making a good study plan. I have found it very useful in maintaining my time and ensuring that I make enough time to study all the subjects that I'm taking. Lastly is a TED Talk, which is very inspirational to me. It has taught me a lot about saying no to others in the face of peer pressure.